Hi everybody, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you think about hitting that subscribe button as well as give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell as well. And if you're inclined to leave a comment, please do. I love reading and I love responding to them. So I am taking part in the Gouache Gals collab, and I'll get to that in just a moment. Let's get right into this. Okay, I'm using gouache paint, and the brand I'm using is Himi. Now I taped down my mixed media paper. That keeps it from rolling or buckling up because you're getting the paper wet. So it won't soak through, but it will make your paper get warped. So you don't want to do that. Now this is a gel paint. If you add a lot of water, it acts like a watercolor. If you don't add a lot of water, it acts like acrylic. But you can do this painting, come back a year later and get it wet. And if you haven't sealed it, you can reactivate the water. Of course, if you got it to where you want it, you seal it with an acrylic or a lacquer clear spray, and that seals the paint onto the paper. So you don't have to worry about it getting reactivated. Alright, as you can see, I am doing a bird. Now I am using quite a bit of water, but not so much water that when I layer it, it doesn't become muddy, because then you'll just be a muddy mess. So you want to make sure that you're not putting too much water on top of your paint, because I'm going to put a lot of layers to make it look like an actual bird. You want to do a lot of different layers, and that's the same with a lot of different things that you paint. You always want to do several layers to where it gets there exactly where you want it. Now the information, the Gouache Gals collab, the host is Sarah from Can Sarah DIY It, myself, Danielita AF, Jill from Naked Nails, Jackie from Jackie Burns, Dee from Designer Loft, and Sarah from What Sarah Wants. Okay, so now I am just working away on this bird, and there's just, like I said, I just keep layering and layering so that it actually ends up looking like a bird. And this, of course, takes a while to get it to where it looks the way you want it, with all the different layering, so that it actually looks like a bird. Okay. Now, with this, you're going to want to comment on everyone's videos. So you're going to want to go to the playlist. The playlist is going to be down in my description box. You're going to want to, like I said, go to every single channel, watch them on this. There's not very many of us. Watch them all, comment on all, so that you can be a part of the gift away. Plus, everybody's channel will be down in my description box, especially Sarah's from Can Sarah DIY It, because she is the host of this collaboration. This is the second time we have done it. Now we have got some new people who has joined us this month. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they come up with. I'm excited. Now I'm going ahead and I'm giving the bird a little bit of time to dry. So I'm just going to do the surrounding, like sky or whatever around it, so that I can get that all finished. And I'm just using the greens and the blues, and I've just got water with it on the palette, and I'm just kind of mixing it and getting it the consistency and the way I want it to look on the paper. Then I go back and work more on the bird. YouTube has started a new thing with the channels that are monetized. Down below this video, if you look at all of the different boxes, go further to the right, and you will see a little dollar sign with a thanks. If you choose to click on that and leave me a little bit of money, 50 cents, dollar, whatever, however much you want. It's like buying me a tube of paint or something, but it helps my channel grow, and that is completely up to you if you choose to do that. All right. As you can see, I am putting the last touches on this bird. I'm getting some more highlights with the white. I'm going straight right. I sprayed some water in that white paint, and I'm just pulling straight from the white paint, trying to highlight, make sure the eye gets defined enough so that it actually looks like an eye. I thought the head of this bird kind of looked funny in the picture, and it still looks kind of funny to me, the way the feathers are sticking out, but I guess we could call it a windy day. I mean, if you live here in Kansas, that's what you get, is a windy day about 90% of the time. I just have gotten used to it, even though we've been here almost 3 years. So, hey, that works. Now I'm just taking some more little details. Like I said, it's all in the details with getting this to look exactly the way you want it to look. So here I am, I'm just adding some more different layers, because I want it to look as realistic as I can. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I know I sure did, and I hope you find the whole playlist to be amazing. Like I said, don't forget to check out the description box. Don't forget to check out the playlist, and don't forget to leave comments on everybody's video. You will have a chance at the giveaway, which is a kit just like mine of the Himi gouache paint, and it is a gel paint. You just spray it with water You mix, I pull a little bit of the paint out onto the palette and I spray the palette, but I do spray my paint. I keep them wet all the time. That keeps them from going too hard. Not that it can't be reactivated, because it can. And that's what I'm doing. I'm spraying them all with water before I put the lid on, because this little birdie is done. And I hope you guys really like this process. Please don't forget to let me know. Let me know what about this little bird that you like. And please have the most blessed week, and call somebody today and tell them you love them. It might be the exact thing that they need to hear today. Also, you guys have an amazing week, and don't forget to be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye.